Welcome to Complete Concealed Carry 2026. Everything you need to know. This video will provide essential information for concealed carry permit holders. We begin by comparing semi-automatic pistols and revolvers. Semi-automatics offer higher capacity and easier reloading, while revolvers are ultra-reliable, though they have a wider profile. 9mm is the standard, for good reason. It offers the best balance of recoil and control, allows for higher magazine capacity, and is highly recommended for beginners. Other calibers have specific drawbacks. Hollow point ammunition is designed for self-defense, maximizing stopping effectiveness and preventing over-penetration. Full metal jacket rounds are best reserved for range practice. When selecting a holster, full Kydex offers a slim profile and audible retention. Hybrid holsters, while slightly bulkier, provide greater comfort for extended wear. A rigid gun belt is an essential foundation for concealed carry. It supports the firearm's weight and ensures a secure, consistent draw, unlike standard fashion belts. IWB, or inside waistband, offers maximum concealment for daily carry. OWB, outside waistband, provides faster access, but requires a heavier garment to hide the firearm. The appendix and hip positions are considered safe for concealed carry, offering a good balance of speed and comfort. Carrying in the small of the back is discouraged due to safety risks and slower draw. Consider legal protection for concealed carry. CCW Safe is favored for unlimited legal coverage and upfront defense payment. USCCA is excellent for beginners seeking training and liability insurance. Permitless carry is legal in 29 U.S. states as of 2026. States requiring permits demand background checks and sometimes live fire training. Always check local laws before traveling. Condition yellow is the required mindset for carrying. Relaxed but alert, scanning for exits and threats. Condition white, or being unaware of surroundings, is dangerous when carrying a firearm. De-escalation is your priority. Create distance and use clear verbal commands. Drawing a weapon is the ultimate escalation and should be used only as a last resort when escape is impossible. Dry fire practice at home builds muscle memory for the draw and trigger pull. Live fire at the range allows for recoil management practice and testing gear reliability. A minimalist everyday carry includes the firearm and holster. A comprehensive EDC adds spare magazines, a flashlight, and a tourniquet, preparing you for most scenarios. Pistol red dots are the modern standard, offering faster target acquisition in low light. Tritium night sights are a classic, rugged choice, glowing without batteries and easier to conceal. If a self-defense situation occurs, immediately call 911, holster your weapon, and keep hands visible. State, "I was in fear for my life," and request an attorney. Do not give a detailed statement or post on social media.